that poor monkey! He lost everything!
It serves him right! He was always so proud! He says in despair.
Look at his little broken home! I can't believe someone could live there!
It's all destroyed now!
Never give up, even when others laugh. Hard work and saving can build a better future.
Well, look who lost his house!
Serves you right, little monkey.
Just goes to show what happens when you aren't prepared.